Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how I created this sparkly makeup look, which was my makeup which I worn at my 12-year anniversary with my boyfriend. We actually went for dinner and I thought, let me just film the look that I'm wearing today so you guys can see how I did it. So the first thing I'm gonna do, like always, is prime my eyelids. I'm using the Sigma Beauty P84 brush together with the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. This is my favorite combination. This brush just really applies the primer really nicely. Now the eyeshadow palette I used is the Pretty Cool palette by Dose of Colors. This was the first time playing with this palette, but I thought it would be perfect since I wanted to go for kind of like a cool tone eye look today. So I started with the lightest color and a Sigma Beauty E40 brush. I have a brush kit that I created together with Sigma Beauty, which will include all the brushes I'm using today. I have it linked down in the description bar. And it also includes this brush that I'm using right now. And I started with the light color, then now I'm going in with a tinier brush and a darker shade to kind of really focus in the outer V and make it more darker and smoky. And I just continue to blend until I find that it looks nice and dark enough. I do have to say that I was kind of like having a hard time with blending everything out. Like, I don't feel like it's not looking bad, but at the same time, it was not the easiest palette I've used so far. Now, this happens really often with cool tone eyeshadow colors. I don't know why that is, but it's just something I noticed. Then I'm gonna use this eyeshadow, which is also from Dose of Colors. I actually dropped it, so as you can see, it's broken, which makes me really sad because this shade is really beautiful. Now, as you can see, it's actually a green color, which at the end of the eye look, you can't really see it anymore. I use so much glitter that it covers up all of this eyeshadow. So you can also go in with a silver eyeshadow. Like, it doesn't even matter because the glitters that I'm gonna use are gonna cover it up. I was kind of hoping that you would still see like the green kind of like peeking right through the glitters, but it didn't. So yeah, I just wanted to clear that up. So now I used the Anastasia glitter adhesive, used a little bit on my finger and applied it over the eyelids. And then now I'm gonna use this glitter from Makeupstudio using my same finger, which is still like a little bit sticky from the glitter adhesive I used. And then now directly applying it on top of the eyelids. Now, I wasn't like I said before, planning to use this much glitter and to make it this glittery, basically. So yeah, you can't really see the eyeshadow underneath anymore, but definitely if you recreate this eye look, you do want to use a shimmery eyeshadow underneath the glitters. This is going to make the glitters look so much better. I actually have a video where I go really in depth on the best way on how to apply glitter on your eyelid, so I will make sure to link that in the description bar. Then I'm using a gel eyeliner. I actually use the Maybelline Studio gel eyeliner, which is my favorite drugstore eyeliner. I also have a video where I explain really in depth like on what's the best way to apply eyeliner on top of glitter, because it can be actually really hard. So if you want to see that video, I will also make sure to link that down in the description bar if you need like a little bit more help and more explanation on how to do it. So now I went in with a liquid liner, applying it on top of the gel eyeliner because this is gonna make the eyeliner so much more black and it's just gonna stand out a bit more. I really like to use liquid liner in combination with gel eyeliner. And then I went in with a concealer brush from Sigma Beauty and a little bit of concealer and applying this right underneath the end of the wing liner. This is obviously gonna make my skin look less red underneath, and it's also gonna make the wing liner look way more sharp. Then after this step, I always do my foundation and concealer and I set it with powder, and then I finish off the rest of the eye. So I went in with that shade underneath the lower lash line using a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush, which is also included in the brush kit that I created together with Sigma Beauty, and just applying it underneath the lower lash line. I love using this brush for this step because it's a really flat brush. The name speaks for itself. It's called the flat definer brush, and it's just really nice to kind of like press the shade underneath the lower lash line. And then I went in with a tiny blending brush and blended everything out. Now I'm gonna use this pencil from Dose of Colors for in the waterline. I was searching through my drawers to find a nice cool tone pencil which will really suit with the eyeshadow shades I use today. And it's just a coincidence that it's also by Dose of Colors because I also use the eyeshadows. But this is just a coincidence. I don't have that many cool tone pencils, but this one actually looked perfect with the shades. Now I used a shimmery shade. The one that I use is actually from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Volume Number 1 palette. It's the one at the top row. It's like a cool tone shimmer. You can use any shimmer in the inner corner that you have at home or which you like, but this was the only cool tone shade that I could find. Now I curled the lashes and I went in with the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, which has been my favorite for so long. I absolutely love how it makes my lashes curl and also makes my lower lashes look super long. I am going in with fake lashes anyway, so when I film a video, when I use lashes, I'm not really focused on making the upper lashes look really good because I'm going in with lashes anyway. But I used lashes from my own brand. These are the Anytude Puffy Lashes. I will make sure to link them in the description bar together with a discount code. These are actually quite natural. I might as well could have gone for more of a dramatic lash style, but I wanted to focus to be on the glitters today. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Let me know if you're gonna try this look. I was wearing it on my 12-year anniversary with my boyfriend. He actually loves me. Well, he loves me for sure, but I mean, he loves it when I wear a smoky eye, so I wanted to do that for our dinner together. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and one more time, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!